This is a demonstration of how easy you put the Breeze Eclipse strips on, part of a CPAP mask that has no headgear. So it's perfect if you don't want to deal with headgear shifting during the night, if you don't want the strap marks, any of that stuff. It's very simple. Very strong magnets. You just take the hose, attach it, bring it up here, and you're done. So that's all. And it stays very, very tight. No leaks. Obviously, you've covered the nostrils, you've covered the holes with the mask. Very quiet, and a great option for those of you that are struggling with CPAP and the headgear and trying to get the right fit of a nasal mask. This is something you may want to look into, or if you're an athlete and you're traveling, it's a nice light mask that should be good for you. And if you get up and go to the bathroom, just take that off, go to the bathroom, do whatever you have to do, come back, and it's very simple. You're not going to stay awake trying to reset the mask too long. So I hope you enjoy it. It is called the Bleep Eclipse. Check it out.